warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Aulia. Now I want to talk about quotes. Quotes. The concept of the quotes is central in structuralist semiotics, while Saussure dealt only with the overall quotes of language. He did, of course, stress that signs are not meaningful in isolation, but only when they are interpreted in social relation to each other. Quotes organize sign into meaningful system which correlate signifier and signified through the structural form of syntax and paradigms. Types of quotes. Type of quotes divide into three sections. The first one is social quotes, and then textual quotes, and the last one is interpretative quotes. Okay, the first one I will talk about social quotes. Social quotes exist wherever people interact with each other and vary between groups. Within a culture, social differentiation is often determined by a multitude of social codes. We communicate our social identities through the work we do, the way we talk, the clothes we wear, our hairstylist, our eating habits, our domestic environments and possessions, our modes of traveling, and so on. Language use act as a key marker of social identity. Social code divided into three sections. The first one is verbal language, like phonological, syntactical, lexical, prosodic, and paralinguistic subcodes. And then bodily codes, bodily contact, proximity, physical orientation, appearance, facial expression, gaze, head nods, gesture, and posture. And then commodity codes like a fashion, clothing, cars, and the last one is behavioral codes like protocols, ritual, role playing, and then game. Now we'll move into interpretive codes. First one is perceptual codes, and then in the logical codes. I will explain about in the logical codes. In the logical codes is more broadly this include codes for encoding and decoding text dominant. More specifically, we may list the ISMS such as individualism, liberalism, feminism, racism, materialism, capitalism, progressivism, conservatism, socialism, objectivism, and populism. Note, however, that all codes can be seen as ideological. And then I'll explain about perceptual codes. Perceptual codes is perception is always already representation. Uh, Perception depends on coding the word into iconic sign that can represent in within our mind. The force of the apparent identity is enormous, however. We think that it is the word itself we see in our mind eye, rather than a code picture of it. In addition to introducing the term figure and ground, the Gestalt psychologists outline what seems to be several fundamental and universal principle, sometimes even called laws, of perceptual organization, including proximity, similarity, good continuity, closure, smallness, symmetry, and surroundedness. Proximity. Features which are close together are associated. Similarity. Features which look similar are associated. And then good continuity. Contours based on smooth continuity are preferred to abrupt change of direction. And then closure interpretation, which produce closed rather than open figure, are favored. And then smaller areas tend to be seen as figures, again a large background. And then symmetrical areas tend to be seen as figure against asymmetrical backgrounds. And then a surroundedness, areas which can be seen as surrounded by others tend to be perceived as figure. And the last one is textual codes. Every text is a system of signs organized according to codes and subcodes which reflect certain values, attitudes, beliefs, assumptions, and practices. Codes transcend English text, linking them together in an interpretive framework which is used by their producer and interpreters. In creating text, we select and combine signs in relation to the codes with which we are familiar. Codes help to simplify phenomena in order to make it easier to communicate experiences. In reading text, we interpret sign with reference to what seem to be appropriate codes, scientific codes, including mathematics, and then aesthetic codes within the various expressive art like poetry, drama, painting, sculpture, music, including classicism, romanticism, and realism. And then genre, theoretic, rhetorical, and stylistic codes, exposition, argument, description, and narration, and so on. And the last one is mass media codes, including photographic, televisual, filmic, radio, newspaper, and magazine codes, both technical and conventional, including format. That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.